Hi, I'm Julie with Limitless Van, and I'm here today with Vander. Vander is a custom conversion built for a couple who loves to explore the US and Canada, camping at various campgrounds. What's unique about Vander is that it's built on a 148 mid-roof all-wheel drive Ford Transit. And despite its compact size, we fit a lot of unique features inside, including an interior shower, a cruise and comfort air conditioning system, and a fold-away seat. Follow me and I will show you more. Here in back, we have our Limitless Van rear tire carrier and ladder. This is something we make in-house at our shop here in North Bonneville. Right now, it's exclusive for our custom conversions. Inside here, we have a full garage. And in this vehicle, we have the garage separated from the interior living space with a partition. And in our wheel well cabinets, we have our whole power package. So we have a 270 amp hour game changer battery. We have a 3,000 watt inverter. And then a part of our power package is also solar panels from Zamp Obsidian up on top of our roof deck there. These customers opted for an exterior hot water shower. And then we also have the pull-out garage tray right here for easily accessing gear and loading and unloading. This van came with an OEM air conditioning unit, so we rerouted it to have it vent from right up there. And then we also installed a cruise and comfort air conditioning system. Now this air conditioning system is designed to run off of a 12-volt battery pack. And it's important to note that in this van, they have a relatively small power package for having an AC installed. However, it's a custom conversion, and these clients typically camp at campgrounds where they can use shore power. So for them, the small battery power worked for running the cruise and comfort air conditioning system. Another cool feature back here of the garage is we have a vent that opens and closes back here. So when you're running your heat, you can close the vent if you just want to heat the interior of your van. But if you have wet gear, snow clothes, etc., open the vent, dry it off. It doesn't stink up your whole van. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside. All right, here we've got our passenger side kitchen galley. We have this really nice drop down, which creates an exterior workspace, as well as the fact that you can pop this out and put in an isobutane Camp Chef stove. So you can cook outside, avoid getting smells inside your van, and it's a really nice feature to have. And we also have a power outlet outside as well for convenience. Over here, we have an Inox 65 drawer fridge. This is a really nice fridge because you can access it from inside or outside your vehicle. Right there. And then here we have a pull-out for extra counter space as well as extra storage. I'll go ahead and show you inside. All right, so inside we have a single induction cooktop and then a 15 by 15 Rivati sink with a custom Limitless Van cutting board. So every once in a while, it's nice to bring family or friends on your trip. And so having an extra space to seat them that also stows away is really practical. So this is a jump seat that really easily folds up. So then you can easily move about your vehicle space. So over here, we have an interior shower. And again, this is a unique feature because this is a mid-roof, but it's a custom conversion. And for our customers, this was exactly what they needed. Now, because it's a little bit shorter as a mid-roof, it has side jets to create more headspace. And then over here, we have a pass-through to the garage, as well as a pull-out step. So it's easy to get up and down into the bed. One other thing that we were able to put into this small space that's really practical is hanging shelf storage. And that's right over here. They have full-length hanging space for all their items. This vehicle also features interior flares. We're able to use the Ford's interior bump outs to create 75 inches of east-west sleeping space. That doesn't work for everyone, but it does work in this vehicle. At the end of the bed, we have nice storage cabinets with lights that pop on when you open. As well as tucked into our flares, we have a little secret shelf for charging your cell phone or putting a drink in the evenings. We also have overhead storage here as well that opens and has lights that go on when you open and close. And then the last thing to note is our control panel. So here we have our RedArc Red Vision management system that controls all the features of the van in one place through Bluetooth on your phone, as well as our Rixon's thermostat and the really awesome cruise and comfort air conditioning system that is super easy to turn on and operate. So that's it for this vehicle. Go ahead and follow us for more van content. And as always, check out our website, www.limitlessvan.com, where you can find out more information on our custom conversions.